Uh, Hello. Hi. I think everything is working as it should. Yes, maybe, possibly. Test again. Let's see. Does it show up? Maybe? Please? Test. Okay, it shows up. Okay, nice. I don't currently have two monitors, so I guess this'll do. So the thing today that I'm trying to accomplish is I am trying to make a game with Python. Wow! A game with Python, and that Python game is going to use Pygame as its coding library or framework or whatever else you sickos call it. So maybe I should wait. I don't know. Should I wait for people to get So maybe I should wait. I don't know. Should I wait for people to maybe? Please? Just okay, it shows up. Okay, nice. I'm just trying to I'm just gonna be a silly guy, silly goober, and send everybody. Okay, wait a second. Okay. I think it says go live. I think I'm already live. Okay. Oh, that was pretty loud. I'm just going to show what I've already learned and made during using Python. I made this little pawn game where you move the window to like make it bounce and stuff. So it bounces like this. Oh shit. Like that. Oh my god, and then I get lots of points going to the sides. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh. Ah, shucks. Well, I have an idea. Because I only have about 2 hours. Like 15 minutes have gone to like setting up this stream. But I have an idea, and I'll just try to draw it out so it's easier. Oh, there you can see the thumbnail and everything. Oh my god. Yeah, can I draw it like this? Yes. So, I thought I'd make a rhythm game like Guitar Hero. Okay, what the fuck? I thought I'd make a rhythm game like Guitar Hero. So there's like, okay, now the music isn't as loud as
IKEA
anymore.
Presenterar Goda nätter ger snällare barn.
Du, snälla hjärtat, kan du ta kvällsrunda med Sigge idag?
Ja, men det har jag redan gjort.
Va?
Ja, och nu är jag mina
Okay.
läxor.
Vad bra.
So I thought I'd
Nattsömn gör större skillnad än du tror.
God. Is it over? Fucking IKEA ad. So I thought I'd make a rhythm game where stuff comes down and then you gotta press it. So something like this, like, and there's letters on it maybe. I don't know. And stuff comes down, and then you press it to make them disappear, and then you play the note, and there's music in the background or whatever. And we'll see if I could make something like this. And then also like a streak count, so it counts like to a number. So if I can press this one, then it goes. If I press this one, nothing happens. But if I press this one, then I get a 2, and then I press this one and I get a 3, and then I mess one up, then it resets back to 0. So basically I want to have something like that. And of course I need pretty colors, because you know, pretty colors. You know, if you know, you know. Okay, there's the white thing. So maybe something like this. I don't know. Maybe. Ouch. That looks really bad. So yeah, that's the thought process that I have in mind. And I would like to, I don't know if I can do that, but I would like to make okay, I would like to make a kind of a short editor, so you could make these levels with a like a txt, with like just a txt file, so you can type in numbers or something, 0 for nothing and 1 for this. Okay, wait, this is really badly explained. So if you think like if I just draw it out for you. So basically, you can have tons of the 0s and 1s, and the 1s represent like a block that needs to get clicked on, and these fall down. So you write this in a txt document like this, and then the program reads it and visualize it into the game. And I like that to be possible. I think it might be possible, and I hope that it is, because Python is a like a cool language. Probably it could probably work like that. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the plan. Rhythm game, you know, rhythm. That's basically it. Okay. You should stop messing around and just actually make it. Since I'm not that used to actually making games with Python, I barely even used Python for that matter. But I'd love to learn how to use it properly and stuff like that. So I'll start off by making a new project, making a folder, rhythm game, lovely. Main.py, I don't know what people usually call it. I think that's right. And then I'll just start from scratch, I guess. Open body. Import Pygame. So this is basically what I know. I know now nothing will happen apparently. The coding looks good if it is not working. I think a window is supposed to be open, but maybe not. Well, I'll just throw up the documentation. Done. Oh yeah, I need to set up the screen. Wow, this is intense music. A bit too intense, don't you think? The aspect ratio might be like 500 by 500.
I Roast on the Coast möts Sveriges humorelit i årets roligaste.
Yeah, now we have a window and it's way easier than making a window in C++. But I do have a package Pygame, so yeah, maybe that isn't fair.
Roast on the Coast, se nu på Prime Video.
So basically I'll just do what exactly it tells me to do right now, because yeah, this is just a template. And I honestly want to write everything myself because I want I want to learn. Even though I'm literally just writing off it, I'm still processing a little bit, maybe, I don't know. It just feels natural to not copy it and write it instead. It's right. What the Oh, it's not a method, I guess. Okay. That was easy so far, at least. I wanna have my phone as like chat if someone here comes up and sees this. I wanna interact with them and say something, maybe, possibly, yes, kinda. Wait, is this too transparent? No. Can my phone work? Okay. Okay, I have some kind of chat on my phone right now, and I hope it might work. Possibly, maybe, I don't know. Oh, this music is scary. Let's put something. Oh, time to make history. Let's go. Okay. Green. Okay, we have a thing. Nice, 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 nice. Things are really cool, actually. Okay, that's awesome. Now we just need to possibly center this, actually. Screen top. Width. Can you do that? Possibly, maybe? Is that possible? Oh, okay, it's in the center now. That's pretty cool, actually. Minus 15. Now it should actually be centered. Yeah. I think I need a caption. I think it's plugin.display.set caption. Maybe. Yes. Okay. So we need to make this down here. Maybe. Screen dot get height minus 30, and then it should be at the bottom. Yeah. So that's awesome. But we want it to be minus 60, maybe. Okay, yeah, that looks a little bit more natural. Okay, now it's off to the side. And I think that might look a little better. So now we can make a red button. Wow, fancy red button. Okay, what the fuck? Yeah, it's... Sorry again. Okay. That looks good, I think, maybe? Green, red, yellow. I think that's good. Yellow. Yeah, yellow. Okay. This is something is that's the middle. Yeah, we need to move them a little closer. $25, 75. Okay, that's better. Then I think we need to have a different color. Green, red, yellow, blue. Yeah, that should be good. Blue. Okay, awesome. Now we have the colors. It does not look to be centered though. And I know why, because it's centered, but it's off to the side since we have these corners here. Yeah, I did not think of that. So I think we just need to do minus 15 on everything here actually. So 90. 40. 10. 60. Yeah. Okay, now it looks to be centered. Nice. It's already looking supreme. Okay, we need to be clicking and stuff. I think, maybe, possibly, yes. I guess we just keys equal pygame dot keys dot get pressed. I think that's right. So then if keys dot okay, yeah, we have it right here actually. H. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do, actually. Can we like have it so when it's just as it's getting pressed down instead of its whole when it's being held down? I think that should be possible. Okay, so now when that's not what I wanted to do. Key, okay. There's some keys. Food. Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Get focus. apparently.
Nu blir det stryktipsquiz. Vilken holländare vann Premier Leagues skytteliga 2 år i rad?
Holländare.
Ja, du vet. Kanaler och tulpaner.
Är det van Persie eller?
Rätt, Tony.
Stryktipset. Ett spel från Svenska Spel, Sport och Casino för dig över 18 år.
'Cause I think
Stödlinjen.se.
I got a similar. I gotta actually. Okay, wait. I need to say what I wanted to say. When I tried earlier to put this over here, and I found some interesting results from that actually. Yeah, okay, that is what I wanted to do. So it's kind of what I want to do. So now when I click, it does what I want to do, and when I hold it down, it okay. That's basically like when it's typing. You know, you click the first time, and then after a while, it starts clicking every time. That's actually pretty cool and sick. I think that's sick. So, yeah, but equal green. Yes. Okay, I just wanted to go down -10 one time and not do it multiple. Okay, wait. I guess I'll just look at the fucking height of it. It's oh yeah, it's that thing. Screen get height -60, blah 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 blah. More like why stupid. I get it, cause I'm fucking stupid. Okay, now it goes down, but I wanted to go up after I'm done. Okay, this is actually what I wanted to do. That's flipping awesome. Oh my god, that's cool. I think that's cool actually. Yeah, that's cool. So now I just need to do this for every single key. Okay, I think this is progress. Look, I can press H J K L. Wow, and then it. Okay. Wow, I get. Oh my god, I think this is way too cool. I'm not okay. I should not be thinking that this is cool. It's just fucking four rectangles going up and down. I'm in love with the rectangles. I totally shipped the blue and the green one as, you know. Okay. This is awesome, but it isn't enough, sadly. I need to learn how to make spawnable objects or stuff like that. Or stuff of that nature. Could I possibly just make objects that goes down and then you can I don't know how this thing really works. I'll just try and make something. So okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll stop. White. And, oh no, it's supposed to be green, of course. And maybe I wanna draw it as some ellipse. Okay. So now I just need to make it fall down, and when I click H, it disappears when it's also touching. Ah. I think I just do this. Yep, that's way too fast. Okay, that's doable. Collide rect. Yes, that's the one. Then green button colliding with note green. Okay, I actually don't really know how to make things disappear. Do you just stop rendering them? Or like, what do you do? Because right now I'll just move to the side then, I guess. And also note g dot x equals 1000 or something. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't work like that apparently. Oh, it's supposed to have the big thing. I missed that. Okay, that works. It works. So now I can like, oh my god, I did it. And if it's, yeah, if I missed it, I missed it. That's pretty cool actually. Okay, now we just need to figure out how to spawn in objects. Well, if it isn't my favorite programmer and VTuber. I missed your message. Oh my god. Was it right now or? Oh my god, sorry. I'm so sorry. Sadly, I didn't get to use the VTuber model. It doesn't work apparently. I have a solution though. I'll next time I'll use a different computer. I'll use 2 computers to stream. One computer where I'm actually using it, and one computer that just manages the VTuber and the face tracking and stuff like that. And that'll be on Windows then, I guess. Yeah. You want the dots to disappear when they go off the screen as well. What dots? Dots? Wait, what do you mean? What? What dots? Oh wait, you mean, yeah, the balls. They do disappear when they go off the screen. Oh yeah. Well, they don't really disappear. That I guess they're still rendering behind this place in foreverness. Green dot. Greed dot. Yeah, it's still rendering behind here, but like that doesn't really matter. Like Python is pretty lightweight. I think we don't need to optimize it that much. But I'll see if I can search up how I can spawn in objects and remove them safely. Okay, there's a kill thing. Just because you can't see them, that doesn't mean they're still taking up space. True, but it's so okay. If you apparently have something against my memory optimizations, I could yeah, I could make an invisible barrier behind here that when the thing touches the barrier, then it just kills it, or I could just make it so when it goes out of the screen, it just dies. But yeah, first I need to figure out how to actually kill the thing. I think there's apparently something called kill. So let's see if that actually works. Well, it should. Kill, then note G. Okay, no. Self.rect. type in note g.kill. Does that work? No. I guess not. Blah blah blah. This is some nice music. It's showtime. I think I haven't gotten to this part in Persona. Maybe I shouldn't be using rects. I should be using sprites instead. Could be possible. Okay, how do I use sprites then?
Tänk dig en krispig kycklingburgare med läsk till ordinarie pris på 99 kronor. Men att det bara skulle kosta 49 kronor. Oj, vilket sammanträffande. För det är precis vad du hittar i Max-appen. Crispy Chicken and Cheese med mellandricka för 49 kronor. Bara i Max-appen till 16 maj.
Oh my god. How to create sprites in Pygame. I think you're supposed to make a class and stuff like that. I haven't really tried making classes at all, as you can see. So we'll see about that. Maybe I should just make a class. What is this? Is this really Persona? Bro, what is this music? Yeah. I just put on the Persona 4 Golden soundtrack. Oh my god. Persona! Persona! Price. Okay.
In a typical game, there are sprites that are only used for one object, like the player character. And we have many identical or similar objects like this, holding multiple sprite stands on my constructor, which takes the arguments of the color and x and y coordinates. I then create a surface that I assign to this self.image variable. I fill that with a color, create a rectangle from it, and then position the rectangle at the x and y coordinates. So far this is just a regular Python class. I then create an instance of it, so I'll create an individual square using that class. And if I print this instance out, it's going to tell me that this is a square object, taken from the square. We need to pass into our own class again, pygame.sprite.sprite, and then we call the init method property out again. Next, that squares is equal to pygame.sprite and add all these groups. It's got the I'll switch over to the starter code, which you can find in the video description down here. Once again, the square get this cyan background, and then it's down here saying that we have one item in the group. The square class is going to called on the sum of my class statement inside our square. For instance, I'm going to handler, then record squares imported, and create a whole bunch of individual errors.
Okay, this is what I want.
Now when I run this, I can click multiple times and create a whole bunch of individual squares. Using the which event and to define a few colors so that all the squares don't look the same. They were inherit statement inside. Go back up and the method. Notice that both of these are being called on the group. If I on the sprite saying out we add into it. And down here
it's actually pretty crazy how much code is needed to just make a single sprite. This is bonkers.
is the sprite class that we just set up, as well as the group and the square that we added into it. Below that I have my game loop, and in here all I'm doing is printing out the square. Squares group. If I run this again, we get this cyan background, and it's down here saying that we can use here. Notice the here I'm going to call the update method, and below that I'm going to call the draw method. Notice that both of these are being called on the group. If I run this, I get this red square and in the middle of the screen. So it all seems to be working correctly, but some of you may have noticed that I never created these methods, the draw and the update method, in my class. If we go back up here, all I have is the constructor. But somehow it works, even though there's no blitz statement inside. These methods belong to the sprite class, and so they already exist. They were inherited by our square class. We will come back to the update method shortly, but first let's look at how to create multiple
Now this is Persona. Okay. Okay, it's working. It's drawing a sprite on the screen. That's awesome, even though it's very laggy. Okay, that's fine.
instances and combine a few colors so that all the squares don't look the same. And then I'll add a new event into my event handler down here. This event checks for mouse clicks, which is the mouse button down event, I then record the mouse coordinates and I use them to create a square object, which I then add into my squares group. Notice that when I'm choosing the colors here,
What is this? Now this isn't Persona, is it? Ah, heartbreak. Green, red, yellow, blue. Perfect. I think they're making a hole in the wall. Oh my! They're actually making a hole in the wall. In my. I'm in my dad's like apartment, and I think there's someone making a hole in the wall. I just heard it like, and then the wall just shakes. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're still going. That's funny. Maybe. It's supposed to go down, but it just stays down there. It goes down a little bit, but it doesn't keep going, I guess. That's weird. Oh. Oh my god! Random guy commented, whoa! I'm just a random guy but this is a cool stream. No way. No way. No way that a random guy commented that. That's crazy. That's awesome. It's flipping amazing! Come on. Come on, come on, put the radio on, it's Friday night, I want you on. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on, it's Friday night. This is such a happy song. Right.
I Roast on the Coast möts Sveriges humorelit i årets roligaste roast. Jag, Kristoffer, tar med mig Magnus, Gina, Anis, Emma och Per till Cypern i 6 dagar för sol, bad och skoningslös roast.
Gina har fixat näsan, Kristoffer fettsugit sig, men du Per, när fan går du upp?
Roast on the Coast, se nu på Prime Video.
isn't supposed to be here. Right? Okay, now it kinda works. Boop boop boop. Boop boop. Oh shit. Oh my god, there's only 3 left. Oh no. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think I'm just going to take a quick breaky. Wait. Just you wait. Oh, nice, my mouse fucking died. Yep. Awesome sauce. Okay, it actually fucking died. No way. It's crazy. I hate my life and I wanna die. Break. Okay, I'm back with some soda and batteries for my mouse, so it works now. Oh. Okay, so there's honestly a problem here. Okay. You know, every time I press on a note, it just goes right back up. So I can only have one note per time, which is just shitty and bad, and also shitty, if you didn't know. This isn't like really good at all. It's just really bad. I can't have more than one note, and it kind of sucks. As I thought this maybe would have been easier, because I wanted to make a like a okay. If I open up Kate here, new file. I wanted to make like a txt file which Python reads off of. So if I make like a 00 or so if it were like it interprets the zeros and ones as notes. So the ones are notes and the zeros are nothing. So basically this would be, this starts off with a green and yellow note, then nothing, then one green note, then nothing. So it would read off the fucking numbers as notes, and that would be awesome and a really good way. And then you could make lots of charts and just add the music to it. But I don't know how to do that. I'm not experienced enough. I honestly thought this would be a cool thing to do. I thought I would learn some Python, some cool Python, but I don't really know if I learned anything. I've learned basically nothing. Wow, cool. Learning nothing is also cool, I guess. So this stream was kind of a failure, honestly. Like in 20 minutes I'm supposed to be done with this, and I haven't even made any art or anything. Like, how the frick am I supposed to make this? Oh my god. Oh, now we got some banging music though. Heaven! I don't feel like I'm in heaven though. Okay. Okay, this is more like a rhythm game, honestly. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. Oh, okay. That's overreact. Yeah. What the fuck? Okay, wait, I'm pretty dumb, actually. It's supposed to be a thing there, an equal sign, as they call it. Oh my god. This music is pretty chill, actually. I like this. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, wait, I have 15 minutes to actually make this into a fully playable game. I might be able to do this. This looking kind of like a trainer thing. Yo, could I make this into like a rhythm trainer thing, like get into rhythm games kind of stuff? Okay, interesting. Okay, I might be able to do this. Oh my fucking god. This is insane. have like 10 minutes left.
Dina öron förtjänar Spotify Premium.
No,
Med
I
miljontals låtar och högkvalitativt ljud kan du unna dig obegränsad musik. Få 3 månader gratis nu och avsluta prenumerationen när du vill. Tryck på bannern för mer information.
Stop hearing this ad. But I just had that it counter updates always. Okay. Wait. Sorry, I need to put my fingers where they're supposed to be. Oh my god! Okay, Loki, let's do this. Farming. I'm farming! Okay, this is actually pretty awesome. I'd say this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. It sure is doing something, you know? What is return? Break. Return. Okay, could I possibly use return? Notes. Thing. No, and this stuff. Hats. Okay, wait, this is actually where I want to be. Yo, I found the thing. The thing. Yeah, I think actually this'll work. Like, for realsies, guys. For realsies. Oh shit. I think time's over. My time is actually over. Yikes. Okay, wait. I'll just go like 5 minutes over time. Or over the time limit. Okay. Yep. The game is pretty much done. Yeah. No, okay, wait, I wanna use some, I wanna do some funny fun tricks. You know how it is. Me being just a silly Billy. That's weird to say. Maybe it is. I think it's pretty weird to say, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, this is the goofiest rhythm game ever. This is absurd. Peak music. Okay, I don't know if this counts as a rhythm game. I could count this as a rhythm game trainer thingy. Maybe. Possibly.
Originalburgaren på Max är vår mest klassiska burgare. Och nu får du den tillsammans med läsk för bara 49 kronor. Istället för ordinarie priset på 94 kronor. Men erbjudandet gäller bara i Max-appen till 16 maj.
Actually. Okay, I honestly think this might be fun. Like a fun game. In a way. Not like extremely fun, but like fun enough, I'd say. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my god, the lyrical version of this song! Oh my god, it's so good. Whew. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'll just add a high score thing. Okay, okay. Don't judge me. Okay, wait. I just wanna position this over here. Yeah. But no. Both of them are supposed to be white. Alright, fine. This streak is smaller than, if best is smaller streak than reset. Okay, yeah. That's awesome. This is a game. If I've ever played a game, I don't. If this isn't game, I don't know what a game is. Whoops, 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 whoop. Whoa, wah, wah, wah. Okay. Wah, wah. Wait, you can actually spam the buttons. That ain't no fun. You just spam it. Okay, that's 17. I got 17. That's crazy. Okay, this is something I'd say. It's a game. It's a game for sure. It's a game. Oh, okay. I'm getting good. It's a hard game, but it's still a game. Shit. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, I should. It's too hard actually. Sorry, it's actually too hard. That's cringe. That's cringe. Okay. Okay, wait, this is actually pretty fun. I made a game. What is this music? It's fucking insane. Okay, the last edit was 16. Okay, it took about 2 hours and 50 minutes, and you know, it took about 50 minutes to get started, so I'd say it took 2 hours. 2 hours to make this game. That's something. The Pong game was probably cooler actually. This one that I made as a test, but it has some interesting flaws. So this is actually pretty cool. Like move the window to interact. That's fucking awesome. You know. I could say this game is also pretty cool. It's very simple. So I like simple games, small mini games. That's fun. You know. So it was really fucking difficult, and I don't really see the point making a Python game. Unless you want like something that could run on tons of shit, then Python games are cool. But I think there's other languages that you could write to, like C, and then have your game accessible though. But though it is really hard to make a functioning game. See, I think, I don't know, I haven't tried that. Might be the next stream. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh shit. 1. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, shit. Okay, actually, yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a game, you know? A game. It's a game. It's a game. Okay? I think I can resize the window. Oh, okay. That's awesome. Cheat sheet. Yep, I found another cheat sheet. And it's just by resizing the fucking window. Yo, wait. You lose some and then you just... Nope. Wait. Oh no, I missed... oh shit, I missed it. Hey, where are you going? Pretty cool. I should have just made the height by something. Yeah, I should... wait, I should do that. Get height. Screen dot get height. Okay, that's much better. So now I should be able to do this. Awesome. I've made a game! No way! So, if you wanna play this fucking game, then I'll... I don't think I'm going to compile it, I just send you the Python file. And yeah, all you need is Pygame installed, and then you can play it. If you don't know how to do it, I can just show you. So basically, if you're on Windows, you go to the folder where the file is, and then you right click on the space that isn't the file, and then there should be like open in terminal or something like that. I have open terminal here, but like if you're on Windows, there's always often like open in terminal. And then you need to have Python installed first, by the way. To install Python, you go on python.org. Then install Windows, and then here Python 3.13.3. No, wait, by the way, no, this won't work actually. Sorry, you have to go to the Microsoft Store. Yes, Microsoft Store, and then you have to type in Python and then download the first thing that comes up. After that is installed, you do this thing again. You open the terminal here. Here you type in pip install pygame, and now I can't do that. But if you were to do that, then lots of stuff were to happen. And then when it's installed, you just type in Python main.py. Main.py is the name of the file. I might change that, so just the file name that you downloaded, and then enter. And now the game will just boot up like this, and that's pretty awesome. And then you can play this fucking awful game. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, it is pretty hard. Oh, I missed it. So this is actually pretty funny. You can just... Oh, I missed it. Never mind. I did not miss it. Now I have lots of thinking time. Let's see how fast I can go for a freaking die. Ah, shucks. Well, that was fun. It was really fun making this, doing this live stream, I guess. Oh, sorry. I didn't see your comments. Don't beat yourself up. It's only your first time using Python. It's a lot better than Interactive. Alexa, play Jojo's. Sorry. The theme. No, Diversify. Späck was number. Game of the year 2025. No one can deny that this is a video game. Best game ever. Yeah, it is a video game. You wanted to hear Jojo theme? Jojo? Jojo? What's this? What's going on? Oh, now we're going intense. Yeah. Oh, it's actually going good. No. Oh shit. I said like so I didn't see your messages. I'm sorry. We're putting it on anyway. This is it. I can actually yes do this. Oh my god, that was intense. Okay. Yep. But sorry. This was the end of it. We have now experienced the Python experience. You, me, and myself have experienced the Python experience. Support Ukraine. They have a button for that. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah. This was fun. I think I've learned something, maybe, possibly, yes. I don't know. I could have. I could be mistaken though. No, but I think I actually learned something today. I learned something about Python. I learned something about spawning sprites, but then I didn't use that because it was too hard. But I made a game with some code, and I had a fun time while doing it. So yeah. Hope everybody that's watching this had so much fun. Had as much fun as me. Everybody that's watching this, like the 1 billion of you that are watching right now. Yeah. So bye bye. End broadcast. Bye bye.